Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to be reviewing our Elevate 4-inch spot amber driving light set. This set comes with two round amber driving lights. They total 4,220 raw lumens. They're IP67 waterproof rated. These lights include amber LEDs and are DOT compliant when installed appropriately. Before you start your install, we always recommend that you diagram where you want to lay out your wires, where you want to attach any relays or fuses, and where to connect your wires to secure them in your engine bay. Also, before installing, you need to be mindful of how many amps that your lights will draw. When installing any type of wiring inside your engine bay, we always recommend that you stay away from moving parts and sources of heat. Cable ties are also great for securing your wires out of the way. This is how you wire your Elevate 4-inch spot amber driving light. If you want to control multiple light modes, we recommend you taking a look at our 2-light wiring harness that comes with a wireless remote control. Or you can use the Lynx switch panel and power hub. The switch panel and power hub is an efficient way to power your lights and to control each individual light mode. These are the tools you'll need to complete your Elevate lighting install: nitrile gloves, socket wrench, cable ties, wire cutters and crimpers, electrical tape, and depending on your build, you may need extension wire. Please reference your user manual for all the wiring sizes. The Elevate lights come with a pigtail that includes 4 wires: black, red, blue, and white. Black is neutral. Red is for off-road mode, which will give you your max brightness. Please note, the amber spotlight does not include the blue wire. And lastly, we have the white wire. The white wire is for your DOT parking, clearance, or identification modes. Prep your wires and make sure you have adequate copper showing. These wires are going to have to go into a male spade connector. Insert the sleeve first, and then connect the male spade connector. Make sure you crimp tightly so that the wire stays secure to the spade connector. Crimp the male spade connectors to the light modes you want to control. Once you've attached the spade connectors to the desired light modes, you're ready to connect to our wiring harness. Connect the male spade connector to the female spade connector that's on your wiring harness. After you crimp on your spade connectors, you can cover the exposed wire with some electrical tape to protect your pigtail from any moisture or dust. Once connected, you're ready to test for power. Now that you have your light connected to the harness, it's time to test the rocker switch. When the light is on, you'll see an LED indicator on the rocker switch. You're good to go. Now we're going to take a look at our Elevate 4-inch spot amber driving lights. We've got them installed here on the A-pillar of this Ford Ranger. We've got it powered with our Lynx system and wired for off-road mode. Now you do have the option through the Lynx to wire it to other DOT modes like clearance or identification mode. Now we're going to demonstrate off-road mode through the Type S LED app.